Okay, let me show you AlgaPSA running on your own hardware. It starts as one ISO, booted on a separate box, like a mini PC, a rack server, or a virtual machine, or a hosted VPS. You don't need Docker, you don't need decoding skills. Everything you need is set up automatically and configures itself. So from there, it's unattended. It partitions disks, it unpacks the system, it runs updates, it switches on the appliance services. We sped this up a little bit, but not a whole lot. It's about 7 minutes of installation. So when it comes back up, the console will display both where the initial setup screen was on your network and the token that you used to log in for the first time. So that token logs you in because if you can read the console and if you can see the console, then you've got access to the machine, and only someone who can see the console can claim it. So next, set up a management password, paste in your install code. The code is redeemed against our licensing service, and that sets up your ability to receive updates from us at 9Minds. Next, put in your own company name and your admin account, and then the appliance builds itself while you watch. So it sets up storage first, then something called Flux, then the release of our manifest, and it's the same exact code here that our cloud runs on, but it runs on your local hardware. Now go get some coffee, and for 3 minutes, hold off, and then when you're back, it should be green. And now it's ready to log in. So go ahead and sign in with the account that you just made. At this point, you log in with the account details you entered on the setup screen, so there's no credentials to worry about resetting later. You'll be shown the onboarding wizard and you pick up where you left off. Your company and the admin details you entered are already filled in, so you don't have to re-enter anything. Then the onboarding walks you through what you need to do to get started. Your first client, your first contact, and the settings you need to get your tickets flowing. Next, let's do a minimal billing configuration to get that going. You need a service type, you need a name, you need a rate, and so on. And this is the minimum necessary to create your first test invoice. Now ticketing, and that's probably what brought you to Alga in the first place. You don't need to start from a blank page. Import the standard boards, import the standard priorities. We show you the 10 most common boards and the 5 most common priorities, and you can import whatever you think you need now, and you can change any of them later. And so now we're finished. The tenant's configured and the dashboard unlocks. Let's try it out by going to the quick add and creating a new ticket. You're ready to start building your business on AlgaPSA. Bare metal to a working service desk. Now you have a working PSA and you didn't need to talk to anyone. But if you do want to chat with us, you can reach out to us at 9minds.com and we'd be happy to help. Thanks.